getting our little harvest ready for the flower festival. Right now we're doing stock flowers. They smell amazing.
There's so many to choose from. I haven't quite narrowed down a favorite yet, but I guess they're all my favorites. We love to collect rare things. You don't really know that there's this whole other world of different varieties of everything just coming from all over the world, and you can save the seeds. It's the best part, just keep it going.
Cutting to this festival, oh, it's gonna be in the hundreds or thousands, probably thousands.
We're trying to display the best of our farm. We pull it all into the display tent, and it takes a lot of hands to pull that off.
Get ready to put some of our famous cinnamon rolls in. Great grandma started making them, and then my grandma started selling us, and then we got the recipe passed down to us.
The world smiles on our country home, where love and peace abide.
You can expect to see a lot of friendly people ready to welcome you here for music and vendors. There's all kinds of things that they sell.
Rare seeds, get your rare seeds. Morning. You want a free whole seed catalog?
Yeah.
There you go.
Those are mountain lullaby.
You walk in the gates and all these beautiful flowers everywhere. It's something you just can't miss.
These are some pretty awesome flowers.
It's very pretty, and I like all the stuff that they have. Yeah, I like everything in it.
It's like when you're a kid and it's Toy Store. If you like gardening that much, there's more to see here than you'll ever get to see.
People just love the flowers here at the farm, and they're getting an amazing deal. Only at Baker Creek here in Mansfield, Missouri.
I have been a customer of Baker Creek for a very long time, and I've always been impressed with not just the quality of their seeds, but the quality of their mission as well. The idea of preserving so many variety of seeds that are in danger of disappearing entirely. Being able to present something different and expand people's taste horizons is just incredibly exciting and incredibly rewarding.
Fragile systems break under pressure. Resilient systems withstand it.
The speaker's phenomenal. Disneyland for gardeners. I mean, it's just amazing. I celebrated my 50th birthday, and my husband asked me where I wanted to go, and I said, here.
I'm looking for a different type of pepper. They have purple, beauty. They have orange. I've been coming here for about 15 years. I love this place. I've never had a bad day here. The people are just magical. They all love what they do. They speak the truth, and you can't find a better place.
We want to have some land one day of our own and kind of create a center of our own. So when we saw this thing,
Village life.
we were in heaven. This place is awesome.
We really enjoy all of the beautiful artisan things that you can get. Jams, jellies, honey, hand-carved spoons.
We just love coming out to the country, seeing all the cool family stuff. Everyone's super nice. Prices are always family friendly. They have the largest selection of seeds, so we can stock up on our seed stock.
And we really love it. And we'll just keep them back.
So far, we've only made it in this deep, and I'm going to spend all my money right into the end, so I think it's going pretty well.
I'm kind of winging it here, so I kind of go off a feeling, things that I remember that I've had that I know taste good, and other things that look really good.
That is my seedless. There's 70 on this, but I bought 100 yesterday. I love plants.
And $5 deer, now 7. $5 deer, now 5, 7 1/2. Sold $5 bill, 1 4.
Give me 10, 15 here, and $15 down, and 10. 15's here, now 20. Yeah, $20 deer, and 15, 20, 20, 15 back.
If you're out there and you love flowers and you love fresh food and you're interested in those sort of things, this is the perfect place for you. This is a beautiful part of the Ozarks. And Jared's done an amazing thing with this, not only with the seeds, but bringing people of similar philosophies together. And that's what the seed company does.
Somebody touch me, must be